Hi, so this is my awesome new Subaru Forester, and I am going to go over the installation of the cargo privacy protector here. And let's get started. Hi, so what I got here on my Subaru Forester is this cargo tray back protector, privacy protector here. So I'm going to show you how to remove it. So you could see here, there are these angles here, and all I'm going to do is lift it up, let it shrink right through. I'm going to put this up at the top here so you could see the sides. And the sides here on the left, you could see that it's indented in and angled in. What you want to do is you want to go to the right here, and you could see there is this open slot. And with this open slot, you want to grasp this area and push it all the way in. You could see how that shrinks in. And once that shrinks in, that provides for the gap. Let me do that again. You could see, pushing it through, it shrinks in. Now I could simply remove it and pull this out. And you could see with the two slots on the side, you can simply remove it very easily. So to install it back, insert the left side first. So I am going to insert the left side first, right there, like so. And then on this side, I'm going to grasp this area once again, squeeze in, all the way in where that screw is, and release. And there you go. It's securely fastened in. Now the back here, you simply have to grasp it, and where those indentations are, place it in the appropriate locations, to the left and to the right. Place it right there, and there you have it, the cover for the back privacy trunk area. Pull this or let it retract, slipping into those slots, and there you go, you're back and you're all set. And that is the cargo area privacy protector. And I hope this helps. This is for the Subaru Forester. And, this has become one of my favorite vehicles here. Thank you so much for watching. And, I will have a link in the description area for this particular cargo tray. So please subscribe and support this channel. And thank you so much for watching.